Welcome to What are Library Databases? This video describes what library databases are, why you might want to use one, and how to choose the right ones for your project. This is the page on the library website where you can get access to all the databases available through PCC Library. A library database is basically just a searchable collection of content. Most of our library databases are collections of articles, but we also have collections of ebooks and audiobooks, encyclopedias, streaming videos, and more. The library pays for subscriptions to these library databases so you can have access to quality content for help with your assignments. Some library article databases only contain one type of article, like JSTOR, which only includes scholarly articles and book chapters. Or U.S. Major Dailies, which only includes articles from U.S. newspapers. Others, like Academic Search Premier and Masterfile Premier, contain peer-reviewed scholarly articles, professional articles, and popular articles from newspapers and magazines. Why use a library article database over doing a regular search on the web? All of the articles in databases are from recognized magazines, journals, and newspapers, and so have been reviewed by more than just the person writing the article. While you can find quality content on the web, anyone can publish web content, and there is plenty of misinformation and untrustworthy content online. Most of our library databases will also tell you what type of content you're looking at, whether articles from academic scholarly journals, popular periodicals, or newspapers. You can even limit your search to specific types of content. So if your instructor requires you to find peer-reviewed articles, you can limit your search to just those articles. Another great thing about library databases is that most of them contain citation generators that will create a citation for you in the format your assignment requires. While the databases usually generate correct citations, it's always helpful to look over them to be sure. If you look at the list of library databases available through the PCC Library, you'll notice that there are a lot of them. The reason is because different databases support research in different classes. We have large general databases like Academic OneFile and Academic Search Premier, which contain articles across a wide variety of topics. And we also have databases that serve very specific programs, like Biological Sciences Database for biology, or Business Source Premier for business. To decide which database to use for your assignment, go to the By Class list and choose the subject of your class to see the top 3 recommended databases. If your instructor requires you to use a certain type of source, like scholarly peer-reviewed articles, you'll want to make sure you are searching in a database that contains those kind of articles. You'll find research tips, tutorials, citation guides, and more specific to your subject area if you click on the research guide for your class. You can also see lists of databases that offer content in specific formats like ebooks, newspapers, and videos by going to the By Format tab and using the drop-down. The databases under Get Started are our most general and can be useful for a wide variety of research projects. You might need to use more than one database to find all the sources you need for your project. If you want advice on the best places to search on your topic or have any questions about research, just ask a librarian. You can chat with a librarian on our website at pcc.edu/library. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching!